What is up, Jits and Jitlets? We are back today with another video. I'm back on YouTube after around a week break, and I'm officially one trade away from getting a payout from Top Step. So hopefully in the next couple days, I can be able to make a video to you guys about withdrawing and what the process is like with one of the top prop firms in the nation. Today was a crazy volatile day. Today was an amazing day for you guys to find trades, whether it was a long or short. I took a short personally, so let's go over it. And I forgot to mention, guys, but we switched the chart colors up. Got a little baby blue turquoise. I had a losing streak, and I feel like I needed to change. So let's do it. Here we go. Let's start on the 1 hour. As we can see, we marked out 1 hour high time frame liquidity. Marked these highs and these highs. And all these gray lines you see right here, they are London high, London low, and Asian high, Asian low. So right when market opened, that is when the London high was formed, as you see right here. So we swept hourly liquidity, and right off the bat, we had no high impact news today. There are no red folders. Whoa. There were no red folders today, but the market was still crazy volatile. Because right after liquidity was swept, we had crazy pressure to the downside. Just already, right when market opened. So it's like, alright, we swept liquidity. And if liquidity is swept in pre-market, you can always try to find two more confluences to then follow up and create your trade. So let's go on the 5 minute here. We had a perfect order block. Actually perfect. So what is an order block? An order block is the move before the liquidity sweep. So that is going to be this bullish candle right here. And then we went past it, and then on this 5 minute candle, we perfectly tapped in to the order block. So after that, you know what we do, two confluences. Now we try to find a break of structure, which we did. I also entered it a little late, a 1 RR instead of a 1.6, but that's okay. And I targeted London lows, and I was trading on Trade08 I was copy trading on Trade08, so I have to manually close my trades. And this right here, this candle at 9:44, it hit my TP. So I was about to click. Exit, and then 1 minute later, right after we hit TP, the market started ripping upwards. So I didn't want to close because I still had a good feeling we were gonna come back and retest this TP, which we did. But it was just crazy that we hit it, and then literally like a minute later, the market already moved so far up to almost hit break even. So that was your short trade. You guys could have taken a long trade. As we see, London lows is swept right here. London lows got swept, so you could use that as a liquidity sweep to go long. And what can we find for confluences? Liquidity was swept. There's an inverse fair value gap right here. It got disrespected and followed up by break of structure. You could have entered here. So break a structure right here, and you'd put your stop by the liquidity sweep, and you could target either this liquidity, this hourly liquidity, or you could target London highs, which I probably would do, because this liquidity was already did its purpose. As you see, we already went past it and used it in our first trade. So now we're looking at more recent highs and lows, which is these London highs right here. So you could have taken this long, and that actually wouldn't have hit if you targeted London highs. But if you targeted this previous resting liquidity, it would have hit. And then literally price action has been so good, and what do we get here? Another liquidity sweep. Bang. Liquidity's here. Bang. Right here at 1050. We sweep it. And we have fair value gap. What is the move before the liquidity sweep? It's that order block. And we tapped into it right here at 1059. And then, whoa. Come on. Tapped into the fair value gap right here. And we would have a break of structure off this bullish candle. You could target London lows, and then you could target, and then if you're feeling very confident that the market is gonna move and sweep out these Asian lows, which price did, you could have taken this massive trade at 1050 that I did not trade. I got in quick, in and out, and as you see, there's 3 trades here you guys could have done. No news today in the market. Price action was moving so fluid. Change the colors, change the vibes. Yeah, sometimes you just gotta do it. So yeah, it's the new setup we got going on. There's also no news tomorrow, so hopefully we can get another win. Peace out, guys.